Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to change text direction in Microsoft Word. So let's start it. At first select the cells, then merge the cell. After that type your desired text. So I type here competent, and then just go to layout option and click on text direction option. We see that the text direction changes. Then just click on the center option. If we want that the text upper C type from bottom option, then just click again in text direction option. We have another option, do this work manually, like as type here work, then just right click of your mouse and then click text direction. Then we also see that two types of direction here, character starting character from bottom, starting character from upper. So here we click on this and then click OK. Then just center the text. Okay, thank you.